Okay, so hello guys. This video is made for individuals who want to go into the field of IT. You want to study computer science in school, but you have little knowledge on which area you should focus on. Some people go into it, because they have passion and with the interest in it, and some people just aspiring to be one of those tech guys. I don't know where to start from. Okay, so I have this roadmap that you can just go with. Okay, you can either choose from any of those outlined fields which you can decide to study while you're studying. Okay, so I will explain every roadmap in detail. They are all wonderful area or field you can just pick and study in school. Okay, very wonderful. Okay, just put yourself in it and you're up. So you're one of them. So this one is you start with the basics. Yeah, start with the basics of IT. See how computer works. Identify the basic parts of the computer. Start using the operating system and do work on it. So for any of these fields, you have to start with the basics. You start exploring computer, know how it works, identify the basic parts of the computer and all the stuff. Now when it comes to exploring the operating system, there are a lot of things you can do with computer. Just get started, okay? Then start learning Microsoft Office applications, then see how internet works, start searching and browsing to learn more, okay? And remember that Google is your friend. Yeah, so do a lot of things, explore, go on the net, download videos, do everything, watch videos, learn. Okay, ask questions, ask Google a lot of questions, and you begin to learn. And make sure you are into it every day, for something you're aspiring for. Yeah, so the next one is start programming. You have to start programming, start learning any programming language. You have a lot of programming languages you might decide to pop into. Okay, we have a lot. We have Java, Python, C++, HTML, and the rest. So you decide on whichever one you want to start with. But first, you need to know your area of concentration. You need to know whichever part. Like somebody who wants to pop into software development will want to start with Java, C++ and the rest. Then when you want to go for like web development, now you might decide to start with HTML and the rest and C++. So it all depends. So you have to know the field you are concentrating on so that you're not just blind. But learning everything is not bad. It's very good, okay? Because you might decide to explore everything. So just make sure you get the particular language and focus on it. Yeah, as it. So the next one here we have database. So database has to do with data. Go to start learning database like Oracle, SQL, MongoDB, etc. Make projects, programming languages. Okay, once you have conversant with programming languages, you can start making projects on your own. Just pick simple projects that you can just program, and that's it. Okay, then you can use some of those computer languages I mentioned, okay, programming languages I mentioned to start some of these projects. Okay, the database combination, okay, like DBMS mini project is best for those students in the field of computer science and the rest. Okay, so we also have software developer. Okay, you want to open software developing, you want to start developing software, computer software and all that. You just might start with you pursue computer science or information technology degree and learn programming languages, data structure, C++, Java, operating system design. Do some internship. Okay, so you already know the field you are hoping into, so you have to just go pursue the degree and learn this particular field. Go to this particular department. That's if you want to go into software development. And the next one we have web development. Want to be a web developer? You have to start with HTML, like I said earlier, CSS, JavaScript for front end web developer. Then for back end, start with Node.js, PHP, MySQL, the Django etc. You can also learn amazing frameworks like Bootstrap, WordPress, React etc, which makes web development an easy task. Okay, so all those tools or platforms gives you very simple way. It's a very simple strategies for you to build your website and all that. Okay, so there are a lot of people again who are just so confused in whichever field. Well, we have this wonderful one to like web and mobile app development. If you want to be this mobile app developer, want to start or want to be a mobile application developer, then go with Java, Kotlin, Android Studio. You can also explore mobile development frameworks like React Native and the rest for both Android and iOS. Some may prefer to go for Swift. Swift is mostly for iOS app, okay, but it's very nice. Okay, learning Swift too, very simple, and it's a very wonderful programming language that I would advise you start with too. Then, in case you don't like programming, just want to get into the IT whatever, you can just you don't have interest in programming, you think that this coding or all these stuff are not for you, you can just start with networking, data analysis, search engine optimization, software quality testing, digital marketing, and the rest. A lot of things online that you can learn. Okay, in case you don't have interest in all those things. So
guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button before you go. Bye for now.